Hey guys and girls, my name's Dan. Welcome back to The Forge. In this episode of Trust Me, I'm a Blacksmith mini video thing, I'm just going to show you what I'm up to. There's a bit of a change of pace. Instead of showing you a full description of what I'm doing, I'm just going to give you a little bit of a taster of what I'm up to today. And one of the things that I'm doing today is twisting up that bar for the job we got. Some of you may have seen the twisting up video where I took some 25mm square and killed myself with a vice and made about 150mm of twisted bar to show a customer. And today I've been working on these. Now these are all 600mm long bars this time. I don't want to get my shadow in there. These are all 600mm long bars this time, and they're taking a long time because they're taking a while to get an even heat, but I'll show you what I'm up to and how I did these. So basically I'm getting 600mm of inch square or 25mm square bar. I'm running it through the power hammer, just taking the corners off cold. I'm putting it into the fire. I'm getting them as even heat as possible, and then I'm sliding them into this jig here. So this is the jig that I've been making today. So basically this is a piece of box. Everything's quite hot actually, and then I've got a piece of channel over this side. So we've got a piece of box there and a piece of channel there, and the location bolt is a bit dirty over here now. And basically the bar goes in through that hole there, goes all the way over to here. I twist it up with, some of you were like, oh, you're going to hurt yourself, Dan, if you don't get yourself a bigger bar. How's that? So then I get that out, give it a good old twist, and then basically we're done. So that's how I've been twisting up those bars. I've got two more to do. I thought I'd share that with you, and yeah, that's it. So basically you won't see me again. Well, you will, but twisting stuff up. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you thought of this video in the comments down below, and whether you want to see more stuff like this. Cool. See you in a bit, guys.